Hello all, my name is Rahman and in this video we are going to talk about the R squared theory and coefficients of the determination theory. So guys, if you remember in the last two videos we have talked about the regression theory and we have talked about the how to program a best fit line and best fit slope. Okay. So guys, in this video as I said we are going to talk about the regression R squared theory. So first of all, what is R squared? R squared is a statistical measure of a fit that indicates how much variation of a dependent variable is explained by the independent variable in a regression model. So guys, if you don't understand this one, I am going to explain you with the graphs. So let's go ahead and start it. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we have these two graphs, these two data sets. Now in these two graphs, we have a line, best fit line. So here we have a line and here also we have a line. But guys, how can you say that which graph has best fit line? If you see here we have this line, here also we have a line and here also we have a line. How can you say that which is a good fit line? So if I ask you that which is a good fit line, then you will answer is this, the graph on the right. Because if you see in this graph, we have some dots near to it. The dots are closer than this. But in this and here also we have a line in a good direction. So guys, this is wrong and we can't find that, we can't say that which graph has a best fit line. So guys, for doing that we need the R squared. So that's why I have created this video on R squared. So guys, for finding the relationship between for finding how a good fit line is what is its accuracy, for finding that one we use the squared error. Okay, so guys, as you can see here we have a graph on the screen, we have a data set. Okay, so guys, for what is squared error? So guys, how we calculate the squared error? So we calculate in a way that the distance between the point and the line is known as squared error. Let me say that this is not a squared error. This is just an error. Okay. Then if you see, so what we have to do is we have to square this value, that value like e square. Okay. Then you might be asking like why we are doing this square? Why we can't do the absolute values like this? Okay. So guys, in this case we have two things, like we can have the negative values and we can have the positive values. Okay, so guys, this is the positive value and this is the negative value. So guys, right now we are just dealing with the positive value, so that's why here we are squaring. So guys, as I said you, why we are doing square. One more thing is why we are not doing here the absolute value for the e. Okay, why we are just doing the square? Why can't we do this absolute value for the e? Because if you see here we have a line here. Okay, so this is a big line, so this is the outlier. So guys, here we are doing this square, we are squaring the error because we want to penalize for the outliers. So we don't want the outliers because we are doing in the linear regression. So guys, this is how we calculate the squared error. Okay, so guys, now how will you calculate the coefficient of the determination, or you could say the R squared? How do we calculate that one? What is its formula for doing that one? So guys, as you can see here on the screen, okay, so you can see here on the screen we have a formula known as R square equals 1 minus SE by SEY here. So there will be something known as y. Here there is y, should be there. Okay, so R square equals to 1 minus squared error y hurt by SE squared error y mean. So this is the formula for calculating the R squared or coefficient of the determination. So anyway guys, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please give that in the comments below, and in the next video we are going to talk about how to program the R squared, and we will be doing that in the Jupyter notebook, like how to calculate that, and we will be doing that with a graph. Okay, so anyway guys, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please give that in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.